Do you use Windows and you need to take a screenshot quickly? Do you have trouble with the print screen key not working? Do you want to take a screenshot of the active window instead of the whole screen? Or maybe you want to take a freeform screenshot of a particular area of the screen? Or maybe you are playing a game in Windows and you want to capture your achievements with a screenshot? There are numerous Windows apps, paid or free, that takes screenshots. Before you install another app, make sure that you are familiar with the whole range of screenshot options you already have available in Windows. Before I get into this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you can get all the latest videos and updates instantly. Let's go ahead and find out more about screenshot. There are 9 ways to take a screenshot on a Windows PC, laptop, or tablet, using built-in tools. 1. Use the keyboard shortcut. The first method is also the best known and it works in all versions of Windows. On your keyboard, press the print screen key. Windows creates a screenshot of the whole screen and saves it to the clipboard. Next, open an image editing program like Paint and paste the picture from the clipboard. You can now save it as a file and do basic editing. 2. Use the keyboard shortcut, Windows plus print screen. If you want to take a screenshot of the whole screen and save it as a file on the hard drive, without using any other tools, then press Windows plus print screen on your keyboard. Windows stores the screenshot in the Pictures library. In the Screenshots folder, the file is named Screenshot Number PNG, where the number varies based on how many screenshots you have taken. In Windows 10, you can also find your screenshots if you use the Photos app, by going to Folders, then Pictures, and next click Screenshots. Besides creating the file with the screenshot, Windows also places a copy of the screenshot in the clipboard. 3. Use the keyboard shortcut, Alt plus print screen. You can also take screenshots of the active window. Open the window that you want to capture and press Alt plus print screen on your keyboard. The screenshot is saved to the clipboard. Open Paint or any other photo editing app and paste the image so that you can edit it and save it to your Windows computer or device. If you have a laptop, a tablet or a keyboard with the FN key, do this instead of the first 3 methods. The first 3 methods should work perfectly well on desktop computers with Windows, or on Windows devices with a standard keyboard. However, if you have a laptop or a convertible device with the FN key, then the print screen key does other things too, not just take screenshots. Therefore, when you press the keyboard shortcuts that include print screen key, Windows does not take a screenshot. Instead, use one of the following. FN plus print screen makes a screenshot of the whole screen and copies it to the clipboard. It is the equivalent of pressing the standard print screen key. FN plus Windows plus print screen takes a screenshot of the whole screen and saves it as a file on the hard drive, without using any other tools. Windows stores the screenshot in the Pictures library. In the Screenshots folder, it is the same as pressing Windows plus print screen on a standard keyboard. FN plus Alt plus print screen takes a screenshot of the active window. It is the equivalent of pressing Alt plus print screen on a standard keyboard. On some keyboards, the print screen button might not perform 2 or more actions. However, it will not work until you press FN lock key. On such keyboards, the FN key works as a lock for the function and multimedia keys on the top, including the print screen key. If you have such a keyboard, press the FN key to unlock the top row of keys, and then use the shortcuts we described in the first 3 sections of this video. They should work now. If you have a Surface Pro tablet from Microsoft with Windows 10, you need to use different keyboard shortcuts, because there is no print screen key on the type cover. Instead, Microsoft offers the following Surface device-specific shortcuts for Windows 10. FN plus spacebar. This shortcut saves an image of your current screen to the clipboard, so that you can paste it into any application. It is the equivalent of pressing the standard print screen key. FN plus Alt plus spacebar. This shortcut saves a screenshot of the active window to the clipboard so that you can paste it into any application. It is the equivalent of pressing the Alt plus print screen keyboard shortcut. 4. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S, and this will work in Windows 10 only. If you use Windows 10, press Windows plus Shift plus S to capture a region of your screen, and copy it to your clipboard. After you press Windows plus Shift plus S, the screen is dimmed, and a cursor is shown, that you can use to draw on the screen the region that you want to capture in a screenshot. Press the left-click mouse button, draw the area that you want to capture, and release the mouse button. If you have a touch screen, draw the area that you want to capture with your finger or pen on the screen. The screenshot is saved to the clipboard. Open Paint or any other photo editing app, and paste the screenshot so that you can edit it and save it. This feature was originally part of OneNote, but has been added to Windows 10 itself, which is excellent. 5. Use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is a great desktop app for taking screenshots. It can create all kinds of screenshots, and you can also use it to do some light editing. Search for the word snipping tool in the Start menu search box. If you use Windows 10 or Windows 7, but if you use Windows 8.1, then click or tap on the appropriate search result to learn how to use it. Just wait for my next video about how to take screenshots with the snipping tool in Windows. 6. Use the Snip Sketch app, and it is for Windows 10 only. Starting with the October 2018 update, Windows 10 brings in a new app that is meant to replace the snipping tool. For the time being, the two apps are both available in Windows 10. Snip Sketch adds new features and, as its name suggests, they focus on modifying, sketching, the screenshots after you take them. Snip Sketch has more than one method to capture screenshots. The first is to press the new button in the Snip Sketch app, or CTRL+N, keyboard shortcut. Snip Sketch offers 3 options to take a screenshot: rectangular, freeform, and full screen. Once the screenshot is taken, Snip Sketch opens an editing window, ready to process the screenshot further. 7. Take screenshots on a Surface tablet, or any other Windows tablet. If you have a Windows tablet, like a Microsoft Surface, HP Envy, or a Lenovo Tablet 10, and you use it without a keyboard attached to it, then the print screen key is not available. The best solution is to use the hardware buttons available on your tablet. On most, if not all, Windows tablets, you can take full screen screenshots by pressing the Windows logo and the volume down key at the same time. You see the screen getting darker when you do this. It signals that a screenshot was made. You find the screenshot in your pictures library, in the screenshots folder. Please note that Snip Sketch has a good user interface for touch screens, and it is a good option for Windows 10 tablets. 8. Use the keyboard shortcut, Windows plus Alt plus PrtScn, and it is, starting with Windows 10 Creators Update only. In Windows 10, Microsoft has introduced the game bar that can be used when playing games of all kinds. One of the things you can do with this game bar is take screenshots of the active game window. While playing a game, press the keys Windows plus Alt plus PrtScn, and a screenshot is automatically created and stored on your Windows 10 computer or device. You can also bring up the game bar by pressing Windows plus G, and then click or tap the Take Screenshot button. The screenshot is saved in your videos library, in the Captures folder. Its file name includes the name of the game that you are playing, and the date and time when the screenshot was made. 9. Take screenshots with the Share charm, and it is for Windows 8.1 only. Windows 8.1 has improved the charms concept from Windows 8, and they can also be used to take and share screenshots. That's it for today. Which method do you like best for taking screenshots in Windows? As you can see, there are many ways to take screenshots in Windows. Unless you have complex needs, you can use the built-in tools and features without having to install third-party apps for this task. You get the same results, and it only takes a bit of effort. Before closing this tutorial, tell us what is your favorite way of taking screenshots in Windows. Comment below, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.